So how can you enable the hidden tap gesture on iPhone or Android? Let's get started. So on iPhone, this feature, which you are most likely referring to, is called back tap. And that means that you essentially double tap or triple tap the backside of your phone to perform some different actions. And this is very useful because, it gives you another layer of customization and utility. So on the iPhone, you can find it inside of the accessibility. You can literally just look up a back tap and it's much easier to set it up, right? So a lot of people know how you can set it up on the iPhone. On the Android platform, it is a bit more complicated and not as straightforward because you don't really have that option by default inside of these settings. Instead, on my Galaxy device, what I had to do in order to get that functionality is to open up the Google Play Store and then download an app called Good Luck, right? So it is like a Galaxy app. If you have Samsung, it's going to be the best way to do it. So you can go ahead and install that application. And once you get inside, you get access to additional apps which you can install on your phone. And one of them is going to be Registar, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. So you can just download that application directly to your phone. So it's like really simple in that sense. You can see that it is being installed. And when you click on play, you get inside of that application. And in here, you will have the ability to change the back tap action. So you can enable this and literally choose double or triple tap action and see and change some different things which are going to be part of this, right? So you can customize double tap, triple tap, choose like a, recent apps view or a specific app, or even change some things in here from this. So plenty of options, and this is how you can set it up on your Android phone. So let me know below in the comments if you successfully managed to set it up. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you soon in the next tutorial.